Properties of division. 1. Study the following examples. 3 upon 5 divided by 1 is equal to 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 3 upon 5. 5 whole 6 upon 7 divided by 1 is equal to 41 upon 7 multiplied by 1. This is equal to 41 upon 7 is equal to 5 whole 6 upon 7. Remember, when a fractional number is divided by 1, the quotient is fractional number itself. 2. Study the following examples. 5 upon 8 divided by 5 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon 8 multiplied by 8 upon 5. This is equal to 1. 1 whole 3 upon 5 divided by 1 whole 3 upon 5 is equal to 8 upon 5 divided by 8 upon 5 is equal to 8 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 8, which is equal to 1. Remember, when a fractional number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. 3. Study the following examples. 0 divided by 3 upon 5 is equal to 0 multiplied by 5 upon 3 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 1 whole 3 upon 4 is equal to 0 divided by 7 upon 4, which is equal to 0 multiplied by 4 upon 7, which is equal to 0. Remember, if 0 is divided by a fractional number, the quotient is 0. 4. The reciprocal of 0 does not exist, so we cannot divide a fractional number by 0.